going to do transposing. Nothing there. Okay, let's connect. Let's get the data from file number 8.1. Alright, the structure is the same one, it's the same file. Alright, so let's go to Excel workbook, not brief instructions but data. See this? I'm going to select this. Kind of the same, right? Yes, we just want to compare things, that's why using the same data. So, and after that, no different, just transform data. Guys got that? Okay guys, so for the afternoon, continue to focus on the training now guys, don't multitask. Remember, computer resource and attention as well. Alright, let's look for the function. Go to transform. Do you see the function? See this? So there's no change, nothing here. And I did not purposely select this column 1. By default it's already selected. So let's do this. This thing selected, right? When you open it, remain as it is. Just click on transpose. It's just one step basically. You see that? You see the transpose? What was transpose? It was this which is transpose. See, this has been transposed. And this transpose, right? Now back a bit. Where's my, okay, this is data row, this is not column name, this is definitely rows of the data. You notice carefully, this transpose, there's no impact on the column name, on the data and all, unlike unpivot just now. It has impact. You see, it's just taking that range of data, right, and just flip it like that. But the format is different from unpivot just now. Okay, when we talk about pivot, unpivoting, it plays around with the header. This one not really. Yes, just taking the range and just boom, flip it around. So it depends on what we want, the format that we want. We can quickly do things, reshape the data from rows to columns, columns to rows, depending on what you want. If we actually get something that we don't want, right, easy, just delete the later step and get back. Right, of course, when we delete the later step, we can't get it back again. No, there's no like, it's like deleted forever. Correct, there's no recycle bin whatsoever. No, nothing. Okay, just be careful of that. Okay, finish already. See, so easy, right? So go to home, close and apply, close and apply, and we are back here. And it's here already. Okay, like if you want to promote the headers and all, yes, we can actually do that in Power Query very easily. We want to promote this bunch of stuff, you just click. It's a click of button, that's all. Okay, and that's it.